Okay, and next workout is, see, we want to retrieve a student list, okay, who got below 12 marks. Okay, that is, we want to retrieve a student list who got below 12 marks. Okay, that is 5 students, and then we want to delete the students who got below 10 marks, okay, in that list. Okay, so first time I am preparing a list who got below 12 marks. Okay, so in that list I want to delete the students who got below 10 marks. Okay, so after that I want to update the students who got 10 to 12 marks as pass. Okay, so this is my workout. Okay, okay, so first thing is, see, this is my data. Okay, so this is my data. Okay, so in this I am having students name, students ID, and students mark and grade. Okay, so first thing what I want to do is, I want to retrieve a student list who got below 12 marks. Okay, that is fail marks. Okay, so for this what I am doing is, that is I want to manipulate the data. Okay, I want to extract information. Okay, I want to extract the information. Okay, so for this what I am doing is, the first thing is, you choose this table. Okay, you choose this table. Okay, after that you go here create. Okay, so in the create option you will have query design. Okay, you will have query design. Okay, query design. Okay, so in this you just select this one. Okay, so in this it has the table name. Okay, that the table we want to manipulate is the midsum mark. Okay, okay, so in this table only we want to extract the information. Okay, so you do add. Okay, and then you close this one. Okay, so in this okay, here we are having fields. Okay, the first field is serial number, primary key. Okay, primary key field is serial number, and second key is student name, third key is student ID, fourth field is student mark, fifth field is grade. Okay, so what I want to do is, I want to extract the list of student list who got below 12 marks. Okay, so for this first I am choosing the field. Okay, I am choosing the field as serial number. Here also I am choosing student name, and then I am choosing student ID, and then I am choosing student mark, and then I am choosing student grade. Okay, so first I want to choose the field. Okay, what are the field I want? Okay, I want to extract. Okay, so I want to extract the student mark who got below 12. Okay, so in this I want the name, ID, and also grade. Okay, and next and you want to do is in the criteria. Okay, so okay, in the criteria row. Okay, in the criteria row, in the mark column you give less than 12. Okay, okay, you give less than 12. Okay, in the criteria row, in the mark column you give less than 12, because I want to extract the list who got less than 12 mark. Okay, below 12 mark. Okay, so okay, in the criteria I am giving this like this. Okay, less than 12. Okay, after that you run this process. Okay, so you want to run this process. Okay, so that you run here. Okay, you do run. Okay, after that you got like this. Okay, so the students got below 12 mark. Okay, and the students got below 12 mark. Okay, so this is student's name. Okay, that is student's name, student's ID, and student's mark. Okay, that is we are extracting the students who got below 12 mark from this table to here. Okay, so after that what I want to do is, okay, I want to delete the students who got below 12 mark. Okay, so here okay, here I am giving 11 mark, below 11 mark. Okay, because here there is no below 12 mark, there is no below 10. Okay, so I am giving here 11 mark. Okay, below 11 mark. Okay, so for this how to do means, see here. Okay, so okay, first okay, so here you can go create. Okay, so in the create, in the query design, okay, you want to choose the query one. Okay, sorry, first you want to save this query. Okay, you first save this query. Okay, I'm saving as below told. Okay, after that you go here query design. So in this it will ask table. Okay, so choose this below told. Okay, so choose the below told, and then you go here create. In create you go query design. In this you want to use the queries. Okay, because that below 10. Okay, in below 10 mark list you want to delete the students who got below 11 mark. Okay, so for this I'm choosing this table. You give add. Okay, in this I want to delete this students. Okay, so what I'm doing is you go here delete. Okay, in the design option you will have delete. You go delete here. Okay, so in this delete, okay, you want to choose the field. Okay, that is I want to I will delete the mark. Okay, criteria is less than 11. Okay, so okay, I want to delete the students who got less than below 11 mark in that list. Okay, so here okay, in the criteria I'm giving less than 11, and then you run here. Okay, it asking you are about to delete one row from the table, specific table. You give yes. So here you can see the row deleted. Okay, that is below 11 mark students got deleted. Okay, so next after that what you want to do is it is F, I think so. Okay, after that okay, after that what I want to do is I want to update the students who got 11 12 as pass. Okay, so here what I am doing is, see here I want to go here create. In create I want to, so first you choose this table and then you go query design. Okay, so in this you choose the table. Okay, so after that you go here. Okay, update. Okay, you go update. In update you choose update. In that I want to give the field, that is in the grade option I want to update to pass. Okay, from fail to pass. Okay, that is I am giving B grade. So for this you give the syntax like this. Okay, column, double column, and give F. Okay, and then double column. Okay, so here criteria is I want to change the criteria, that is I want to change from F to B. Okay, so I'm giving B here. Okay, I want to change from F to B. Okay, F to B. Okay, that is from fail to C. Here I said that I want to update the students who got 11 to 12 mark as pass. Okay, so for this I'm updating from fail to pass, that is B. Okay, after that you give run here. You update one row, you give yes. So here you can see previously it was F. Okay, previously it was F here. Okay, now it was B, turn to B. That is we are updating the grade. Okay, so this is the way of doing manipulation. Okay, for manipulating you want to go in the query wizard. Query wizard or query design. Okay, see here I already told that. See, I told you that we want to manipulate data or we want to extract information. We want to use the query. Okay, to add, to update, to delete,